sailor so hardy and hale. I live on an island on the back of a whale. It's a whale of an island. That's not a bad joke. Its lord and its master is this handsome bloke. Oh, the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow. Sinbad the sailor. I scare all creation on land or on sea, but talk about women, they all fall for me. I take my adventures wherever they're found. I don't want to brag, folks, but I've been around. Who's the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow? Sinbad the sailor. From the Valley of Serpents, these diamonds I took. I clean out those serpents with one dirty look. Serpents. Oh, look at this monster so strong and so huge. He'd frighten King Kong, but he's only my stooge. The capture of Bulla for me was just fun. Whoever said two heads were better than one? Ha ha! Who's the most phenomenal, extraordinary fellow?
Use Sinbad the sailor.
On one of my travels, I ran into this. Now, there was a thrill I'd be sorry to miss. He spread out his wings and the sunlight grew dim. He took me in his feet, but I ran off with him. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Sinbad the sailor. Who's the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow? Sinbad the sailor. I'm afraid of nobody under the sun. All I say is, boom, my enemies run. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow?
It's Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm one tough gazooka, which hates all palookas. What ain't on the up and square? I biffs and I bops them and always outroughs them, but none of them gets nowhere. If anyone dashes to risk me fist, it's pop and it's wham, understand? So keep good behavior, that's your one lifesaver with Popeye the Sailor Man. Oh, I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Who fouls the air with a note so sour and dares to challenge Sinbad? Why, I'll fix him. Wreck that ship. But bring me the woman. Go.
wish if we had once. Hey, did you see the same thing I saw? I'm gonna take another look at that thing, see what that was. That's the biggest buzzard I ever saw. Where the fellow go?
Oh, where am I?
Let's see this.
Hey, keep away from me, you! Stop that! Leave me alone! Ah, don't do that! I'll slap your face right! Ah,
Come here.
I won't!
Get up, sugar, and give us a little smack.
I'll give you a smack all right there!
Hey, we gotta save olive oil. Come on, Wimpy, hurry up before it's too late. Into the brink. Skeet and scat and skittle what the drum the beam the bum skeet scat skeet scat skittle what do does the bum the line everybody up. Oh, what's this? The Isle of Sinbad, enter not, or whosoever passeth out. Sinbad. This is somebody be trying to be funny.
Oh, luncheon.
Well, here I goeth in it. Ooh, I don't like this place at all. Sorry I ever came in here. It's kind of spooky to me around here. What's this? Oh yeah. Oh, trying to scare me like that, huh? Can you imagine them dumb mama nose trying to scare me like that, huh? Oh, can you beat that? Oh.
Save me!
Oh, I'm coming, Olive. I just got a little wall here. Oh.
Do I hear footprints up there?
Oh.
I want to stop! I want to stop this dancing!
Stop!
Huh?
You
Oh,
Come
Popeye!
here.
Oh,
Who invited you?
I did. What are you gonna do about it, huh? How did you get in here?
Oh! Fouled again. I must resort to my last hamburger. Oh. Oh! Huh?
Hey, I wants me Goyle.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Who are you?
I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Who are you?
Who am I?
You heard what I
Who
said.
am I?
That's what I said.
Why? Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow?
That's gonna put you down.
Who's the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow?
Is this a circus around here?
I'm all made
Oh.
of nobody
Hey,
under the sun.
Oh.
All
That's what you
I
do.
say is boo when
Oh.
my enemies run. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Who?
Popeye the Sailor.
What?
You better fix your shirt there, young fella.
Hmm.
Hey, let
Well,
me
let's
down.
see how great you are.
Hey, let me down, you big... Oh. Whoa. Oh, what's this? Hey, let me down, you big overgrown canary. What's the bigger? What are you doing? Take me for a ride or something? Hey. Oh.
Popeye! Popeye, so long, so long! Come back to me!
There you are with gravy. Oh, ghost has cooked this time. Hey, oh. Hey, don't you think we better talk this thing over?
Try and get out of this one.
Oh, my hand, foot. Oh.
Comfort to sleep,
Oh.
my baby kid,
Oh.
my peaches and cream,
Oh.
my baby kid.
Oh.
If you don't sleep,
Ouch.
my baby kid, I close for you your two eyes like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Oh, 2 against 1, huh? How do you like that? Huh?
What for you like that Popeye smack our face? How do you like about that? You hold that Popeye in this hand. By carbonate, if I had that mug in this hand, I make from him special dish of chopped fricassees. I don't like chopped Popeye fricassees. I make for you to like it.
Oh, why you two-headed face for your face? Oh, how do you like that? Oh. Come on, you're gonna take a double header this time. Wham! Well, I guess I fixed those two fellas. I won't hear from them anymore. Oh, yeah? Oh. Who's gonna make who like chicken finger-seeker-see-see, huh?
There's only room for one great sailor in this world. And that's me.
Oh, says you. We're gonna come to terms right now. Oh, yeah? What do you mean, your island? Is that so? That's too bad, huh? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, you can push me just so far. That's all I gotta say now. Oh. Beat for beat, kiddo. That's what I gotta say. Take that. Hey. Oh. Oh. Peekaboo. I sock you. Oh.
What?
Oh. Oh. Hey. Oh.
How do you like that?
Oh. Do you give up? What are you, a fresh guy or something? I'll show you. I can see. Up. Don't leave me now. Oh. Take that. How do you like that? Come on, get up and fight.
Give it to him, Popeye! Give him the Twister Punch!
Whisker punch coming up. Take that. That's what you want. You're gone places, young fella. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fella?
Sure!
Popeye!